guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I just did a Trader Joe's grocery haul, but I just did a massive haul. Like, I bought so much stuff. I went to Trader Joe's and I also went to Sprouts. So I picked up a lot of my favorite things. We were just kind of like out of everything, so I just went to town and stocked up because we need to eat at home a lot lately to just eat better and save money because we bought a car. So yeah, I'm just gonna flip this bitch around. So I have all the Trader Joe's stuff on the table, which is so much, oh my god. And then I have the Sprout stuff over there. So we're gonna start with Trader Joe's, and I feel like I should shut this because it's very loud. It's rainy today, so I had to move my plant babes under the little awning so that they don't drown. But okay, we're just gonna start with produce as usual. We're gonna start with focusing. So over here, I got two like russet potatoes. We've been really into spiralized baked potatoes, which I think, I mean, I know I'll definitely show you in a recipe video at some point because we've been loving those. I got one sweet potato because sometimes I like to make my sweet potato hash browns, and then a bag of baby potatoes. I know that's a lot of potatoes, but we like these for the air fryer. We like these to make mashed potato slash cauliflower. They make great breakfast potatoes, so these are just lovely to have on hand, so we always buy a bag of these. I got a bag of spinach for two reasons. I bought stuff to make my Olive Garden knockoff chicken gnocchi soup that's Weight Watchers friendly, so I got it for that, but then also to add to smoothies because we've been really into making smoothies lately. And then of course a bag of my favorite Champs-Elysees salad. I've been really into oranges lately, but not eating the full one and like saving the other half of the, but then the other half goes bad. So I'm going to, I wanted to try mandarins with my lunches to see like maybe, you know, I would waste less, and these are cheap and I think they're amazing right now, so I'm excited to try those. Got a Honeycrisp apple, some limes, some lemons. I do have a lemon tree with fruited with budding lemons, but I don't want to use them all up, so I'm just, you know, I buy some and we pick some off the tree sometimes, but it's still kind of like a baby lemon tree, so we'll see. And I also did just buy a lime tree, so it probably will take 2 years, but we'll have limes. I love to buy their fresh sliced mango, but like, I know when a mango looks the way I want it to taste, and today it just looked like a juicy ass mango, so I bought this and I'll eat this on the side of my lunches. Then I got some mini pearl grape tomatoes. I love these. Oh man, I meant to buy a beefsteak tomato too as well, but I use these in everything. I put them in salads, pastas, guacamole, just anytime I need tomatoes. I love these. Got a bag of my diced onions, you know I can't live without those. Shredded carrots for the soup, but also just for salads. A bag of celery. Do you guys know how to freeze celery? Because you get so much celery, and while I eat celery probably every day in some capacity, I never can finish a whole bag, and I would love to learn how to freeze it. I'm gonna like start learning how to freeze food, and like I just love the idea of having like a really stockpiled freezer so we go to the store less, but and also I'm wasting a lot of celery. So if you have any tips, let me know, but I'm also gonna look that up. I got some cauliflower florets and broccoli florets. I don't like broccoli, but Bradley loves it, so I got it for him because I'm an amazing wife. I got a lot of bananas because again, I want to freeze bananas for smoothies, but I also, oh, the evil fridge is making noises. But I also kind of fancy some banana bread, so I just bought a bunch to eat, freeze some, and then maybe bake with some. I got a bag of the teeny tiny avocados. They're also not that small at all. Like, here's a normal avocado. Like, they're not that bad. Because I usually only use half of that size avocado at a time, and then I'm wasting the other half because they go brown so quickly. And this was like more cost effective. So I think Bradley will be excited we have so many avocados and he can use them in different ways. I got a cucumber, which did you know in like the UK they call these a courgette? Like, how does that happen? But I love it. It's so fancy. I got these pretzel slims. I usually buy the everything pretzel slims, but I wanted to switch it up, and you can have, I think, like 24 of these for 3 Weight Watchers points. So it's been like my go-to part of my lunch with this, an orange, and a sandwich. We needed more of our favorite tortilla chips, so we like the organic white corn tortilla chips. I have some sweet things, of course, my cocoa batons. Not every time, but recently when I've gone, they don't have them in stock. So I didn't even need them today, but I saw that they were there, kind of running low, so I bought 2 more. I talked about these in my last Trader Joe's haul. We love these. Bradley really loves them. He eats a pack like every night. But if you missed that, a pack of these, which comes with a lot of cookies, not this box, inside they come with like individual packets, but you can have a whole pack for 4 points, which is amazing as far as dessert goes. I got some gnocchi for that chicken gnocchi soup. This was the sample today and I forgot how much I love it, so I picked this up, the organic creamy tomato soup. I normally pick up the red pepper and tomato soup, but this is just like a nice change. Ooh, and this was new, dark chocolate sea salt caramels, yummo. So I'm excited to try those. I had a game night with my siblings the other night and my sister brought these. these and they're incredible, and you can have, I think, like 10 or 12 crackers for 3 points. Like, they're really good on Weight Watchers, and if I pair it with like a little Laughing Cow cheese, it's so good. So I got 2 boxes of those. I got some everything bagels for Bradley. You guys know I make my own bagels these days, but he still eats these. I bought another bag of this frozen fettuccine alfredo and also this bruschetta sauce to go with it, because when I make it, I shred chicken, mix it in with that, and then I add a couple tablespoons of this, and it's literally incredible. We needed some meats and cheeses, so I picked up these gourmet pepperonis. These are really Weight Watchers friendly. I think you can have like 7 of these huge pepperonis for 3 points. So if you're like making an at-home pizza, it's just nice, but we also just like these to snack on in the afternoon. Some smoked turkey breast, and then we needed some cheese. I got this light Mexican blend. Bradley likes this for tacos, making nachos, whatever. We just always have that on hand. And then I picked up some light shredded mozzarella cheese because I got some ground turkey to possibly make my buffalo turkey meatloaf, which I think I have a recipe on. I will link it up in the corner. I'm almost positive I do. And then I picked up some unexpected cheddar cheese. Nikki Philippi just did a video where she made a baked potato and put this on top, and it sounded amazing and I couldn't resist, so I bought that. This is my favorite butter as far as Weight Watchers go, and taste. I just really like it. It's the Belade light butter with sea salt. I got these turkey corn dogs. I believe 1 corn dog is 5 points. So if you eat that and some veggies for lunch, it's pretty point-friendly lunch. Or even if you pair some pretzels with it, or those crackers for an 8-point lunch, like that's usually what my lunch is ballpark in, so I picked up those. We needed more of our salsa especial in the mild. I love this stuff. It's my favorite salsa of all time. We needed more of our milk. We get the lactose fat-free milk. And then I got more of this soft spreadable light cream cheese. A tablespoon of this is only 1 point, and that's what I eat with my 2-ingredient dough bagels every morning. And then I got some more Greek yogurt, I can't speak, to make those bagels. And then, like I said, I picked up some ground turkey. So I think that's everything from Trader Joe's. And now over to Sprouts. I'm not tall enough for the way I laid this out, but we'll just make do. Hint waters were on sale for $5, so they were $1 each, which still seems like a lot, but what I do with these is I'll like drink half, fill the rest up with water, and then I get more bang for my buck because the flavor really lasts when you fill it up halfway. So I love that. I got 4 blackberries and 1 pomegranate. My favorite is blackberry though. I've heard great things about the Rouse, I think that's how you say it, homemade sauce, and I've been craving some spice in my life, so I picked up some arrabbiata. This is really random, but I've been watching videos on how to plant radishes. I would really like to grow radishes. They seem easy and not something that they have at Trader Joe's, so it's, let me just tell you, it's been really fulfilling to go out to my garden and pick things and then eat them. So I'm just trying to implement more of that in my life, or as much as my balcony space allows, but I'm going to try to plant radishes, and it's the Easter egg blend, and I would really love if they were this colorful. So I'm excited to plant those. But then also watching all those videos on radishes made me horny for radishes, so I picked up some radishes. But like I said, they don't carry them at Trader Joe's, or not that I really ever see, so whenever I'm at Sprouts I pick those up because I love to add them to salads. This is my favorite juice. It's the Evolution Fresh Organic Defense Up juice. Basically just got a lot of like delicious things like orange, pineapple, mango, apple, cherry. It's really good. And these were both on sale, so I got 2 of the smaller ones for more on the go, but then a big one to drink like with breakfast. And then I got some naughty mac and cheeses. This is some of my favorite shiz ever. It's the Sprouts Shells and Alfredo. These boxes are 99 cents each, so I always like to load up. I just like to really load up the pantry. I feel better in life when I have pantry stocked and I have options and things like that. And then Bradley loves the Annie's mac and cheese, but this time I tried the whole wheat organic white cheddar shells. They were a little bit better on Weight Watchers points, but not by much, but still, you know, it's pretty hefty, but it's doable. So yeah, that's what I picked up at Sprouts. But okay guys, that is it. I think I might actually film a organize the fridge with me video right now because it needs to be cleaned out and reorganized with all this crap. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want more Trader Joe's hauls, I will link my playlist up in the corner. I have lots of them. I hope you guys are having a great day. I love you, and I'll see you very soon.